equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your LG Gram laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, carefully remove the back panel of the laptop. This usually involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery and disconnect it to prevent any power from flowing through the device while you work. This is an important safety step. Now, focus on the screen assembly. You will need to unscrew the hinges that connect the screen to the base of the laptop. These screws are typically located at the bottom of the screen frame. Again, keep these screws organized for reassembly. Once the hinges are free, gently lift the screen away from the base. Be careful with the display cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. You'll need to disconnect this cable by carefully lifting the connector from its socket. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help if needed. Now, take your new screen and connect the display cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. Once connected, align the new screen with the hinges and carefully screw them back into place. Make sure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the screen. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with a microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and a clean environment will help your laptop run more efficiently. After cleaning, reconnect the battery and place the back panel back onto the laptop. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your LG Gram laptop. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with no calls, no travel, making the process as easy as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.